Hello everyone, so I got this PR package from Miss Rose and I wanted to unbox all the products with you guys. I'm gonna start opening this foundation. The shade is beige 2 and this is how the packaging looks. It comes in a soft tube and I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. The texture is really creamy and smooth. It blends in really well and I think it can be used for daily wear as well. It's really light on the skin. Do you see the difference? Next up, I'm gonna open this concealer and let's check the shade. It's beige 1. So I'm gonna swatch it on my hand and show you guys the result. Here it goes. So the texture is really creamy and it has a smooth finish and it blends really well with my skin tone. Next up, ta-da! The magic eyeliner. So it's supposed to be double-sided. I'm gonna swatch this side first. The application is really smooth and you can also control the thickness of the line by increasing or decreasing the pressure. Just like this. Yep. Now I'll show you the other side. So this is basically a stamp. So if you're not really good at drawing your wing liner, you can just stamp this on your eyelid and then correct it with the other edge of the eyeliner. Just show you how. Just like that. Yup, fill it in and you're done. Next up is the mascara. I'll just show you the wand or the applicator and I'll be using it in an upcoming tutorial for you guys to see the results. But this is how the wand looks. Next up is this lipstick and the shade is Love Bug 46. The texture is really creamy and I love the shade, love it. This is such a subtle shade, nude blush, and I love wearing it on a daily basis. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. And finally the eyeshade palette. So let's see what colors they have. They've got quite the assortment. From daily wear to your evening glam look, you've got all your shades right here. They're so pigmented. I'm gonna swatch all of these, even the glitters, they're so shiny. You see how glittery they are? Loving the shades. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, Miss Rose. I can't wait to use all these products. Thank you once again.